Good morning everyone and welcome to a new vlog. I feel like I haven't done this in ages, and I haven't done this in ages, so I apologise if I'm a bit rusty. I don't think I've filmed a vlog since September, and I don't even know if you've seen that one because I've had awful trouble with the internet and nothing seems to upload. It just takes ages and then it just times out. So I'm vlogging today because it is, what day is it even? I don't even know what day it is. It's Tuesday the 4th of December and we have our Christmas nail art day today, and then I have tomorrow off, and then Thursday I'm off up to London because Friday I have the competition day for Professional Beauty, now Professional of the Year, which still blows my mind. Yeah, so I thought it'd be a good week to vlog, and also a good time to tell you that the reason that I've been kind of gone for a while is because I've had a bit of a stressful few months because we are buying a house. So we're not sure when we're going to move in yet. It will be either the end of this week or the end of next week. So, you know, nothing like doing things by halves, but yeah, so I am off to London on Thursday, and anyway, yeah, the reason that I was going to say I'm going to vlog this week is because hopefully we have no phone signal in our new house. It's in a little village, so we have no signal, but all new builds, and I didn't realise this, all new builds that have a certain number of houses on them have to have a fibre internet connection, which is great. So we won't have any mobile phone signal, but we will have probably some of the best internet we can get. So because I can't get this September vlog uploaded, I just haven't really had the motivation, and also I've been super stressed with the house thing, and I've not really wanted to talk about it because there's been so many occasions where we've thought it's going to happen and then it looks like it's going to fall through. So I just haven't wanted to mention it. And to be honest, that's been kind of taken over our lives. So to not talk about it didn't really give me very much to talk about. So yeah, I'm here to say I'm back, and now that we're going to be living somewhere with really good internet, I should hopefully be able to get back into the swing of vlogging. So yeah, I just thought I'd show you. I decorated a little bit yesterday. We've not gone overboard this year with the decorations in the salon because there just isn't really the space for it, and even if I can put stuff in, it's where to keep it the rest of the year. So I haven't turned the lights, the main lights on yet, just so that I could show you. Just got some little lights, and then these little like Christmas trees with lights in, which I thought were pretty cute, and the same on this side as well. And then we've got a little lantern. I'll put a candle in that in a sec, and then I've also got lights hung up on those windows there, which I've not opened yet, and also on the main door as people come in as well, which are behind that curtain, or blind, whatever you call it. So yeah, I'm just gonna get ready now for the nail art day. It's just the three of us, so myself, Debbie and Michelle. And actually I don't think I've really spoken about that either because I've not been here to vlog. We had Michelle start with us about a month ago now, so there is three of us now in the salon, which is really good. So yeah, I'm just gonna get ready. I've got loads of snacks and stuff for us to have to keep us going through this day. So I'm just gonna sort all that out. Oh, and I've got my Frenchy Bad Santa jumper on because, you know, why the hell not? nail art day. Oh, I say just finished. It is 20 past 4. I've just spent the last probably hour trying to sort my stuff out for Friday. So I'm so out of practice of this. It's the last competition I did was May. That was in Birmingham, and since then I haven't done any competitions because I was planning on competing in Manchester in October, but there was a chance that we were going to be moving that weekend. That was our original planned moving day, but here we are. It's 4th December and we've still not moved, and by the sounds of it today, Friday looks like it's a no-go, which is a bit of a pain because we've got a delivery of furniture coming on Saturday. So I'm gonna have to ring and try and change that for the following weekend because it's not gonna happen for Friday. But anyway, so back to my original point was that it's been such a long time since I did a competition. I'm kind of out of practice of the whole getting my kit bag ready, and because it's just me going up on Friday, I'd normally have a model with me that can help me carry all of my stuff, but I don't have anybody with me for this one, which is a bit scary because they supply the model, so I don't have anybody with me. So I've had to really think about how I'm transporting all of my stuff to the competition. So I'd normally take it in something like this. This is what I'd normally take, like a wheelie trolley thing, but I have decided to get one of these Roo bags. I just thought for me on my own it's going to be easier for me to not necessarily carry, but the main issue I have is that I hate putting my luggage on the luggage rails on the train. So what I normally do is we'll both be sat on the train, and I normally kind of wedge my case between the two chairs, which it's fine, it doesn't stop you from having any like leg room or anything, but you can't really do that when, you know, I'm gonna have a stranger sat next to me at the end of the day. So I decided that I couldn't really take that. I didn't want to leave it on the luggage rack because if it gets knocked off, or if for some reason someone decides to help themselves, then I'm completely screwed for the competition day. So I've decided to get the bag. It may be a little bit heavier to carry, but it just means I can shove it under the seat in front of me. I'll have less foot room, but I don't really care about that. I just know that I've got my kit there safe. So yeah, that's that. I'm gonna have to fit my overnight stuff into a backpack, which I don't even know if that's physically possible, but I'm gonna have to get it done. I'm gonna have to just figure it out somehow. And then I've also got in here all of my certificates. We have to take some things with us because there's an interview afterwards as well. So I think I've got everything. I'm gonna go home and make a bit of a list of everything that I need to bring with me, because I think just by doing that list I'll know whether I've missed anything or whether I'm good to go. I'm just gonna show you actually what we've done for our nail art training. Here is my display. So lots of Christmassy, sparkly goodness. So I'll have this out on my desk for people to choose from. I get a lot of questions about where I get ideas from. I'm not gonna lie, I get a lot of inspiration from other people, and I think everybody does. So, and I like to take things that other people have done and kind of put my twist on them. So maybe change the colours, or maybe do like the base design I might get from somewhere, and then I might put like an extra nail art thing on the top. So I take lots of inspiration from everywhere. This is Michelle. She's done really well because she hasn't really done nail art before, but she's done amazing. And then Debbie, she's done some really cute stuff. How cute is that, Robin? She's a little genius. So yeah, that was what we spent today doing. It's been a really good day, really fun. It's just nice to have a day like this. We don't really have because every day is busy. You don't really get a day where you can just like catch up with each other and just have a day where you can just play. So it's been a really good day. So I'm gonna pack my stuff up from today. I've got all of this to sort out from today. We had I bought food for us to have for lunch, but we've got leftovers, but I don't know how I'm going to transport this home. So I'm going to sort that out and I'm going to go home, and I will probably speak to you tomorrow.